Hey guys, this is Mukund and you're watching iGyan. Today we're going to be reviewing the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. So let's get started. The Mi Band 3 is the latest offering from Xiaomi in the fitness band segment. This is the successor to the Mi Band 2, which was really popular due to its aggressive pricing. Xiaomi has continued this with the Mi Band 3, which is priced at just Rs 1,999. The design of the Mi Band 3 is pretty similar to the Mi Band 2 except for the fact that it sports a larger OLED display. In terms of build quality, the Mi Band 3 has a thermoplastic elastomer strap, which is an upgrade from last year where a lot of Mi Band 2 users complained that the strap left their hands itchy and irritated. The tracker weighs in at 8.5 grams and it weighs a total of 20 grams with the strap. The strap is adjustable up to 21.6 centimeters and the device has an IP rating of 580 amps. This means that the Mi Band 3 is now water resistant up to 50 meters, which means taking it out for a swim should not be a problem at all. The display is a 1.9 centimeter OLED display, which is all touchscreen and easy to navigate. You can swipe up, down, left or right to go through the entire menu. The display is also visible indoors and outdoors, and as many of you had asked, it's pretty easy to see the display in direct sunlight, although you have to strain your eyes a bit. The Mi Band 3 does not have an always-on display and therefore it has a twist to wake function for the display. This means that the device is supposed to wake up every time you twist your wrist, but we found this to be a miss as sometimes we have to twist our wrist twice or thrice to get the display going or even end up tapping the screen. The Mi Band 3 is a typical fitness tracker with a pedometer, a calorie tracker and a distance tracker. But it also has many advanced features such as a heart rate sensor, it also tracks your sleep and you can also receive notifications from your phone directly onto your Mi Band 3. The Mi Band 3 has a 110 mAh battery which will last you around 15 to 20 days if you're always connected to your phone. If you're not paired to your phone all the time and not using features such as the heart rate sensor, you'll find the band lasting for a much longer duration. The setup process is a bit tedious and you have to jump through a lot of hoops to get the setup done, and we hope that Xiaomi does something about that. But once you're set up, you can access a whole lot of options about your Mi Band 3, such as what apps can reach you on your Mi Band 3. You can set as to whether you want to receive text messages and WhatsApp messages on your Mi Band or receive calls. Setting up a few things in the app such as the notifications is quite difficult and it took us quite a while to get there. When you receive a notification for WhatsApp or text messages, they're read-only and you cannot reply to those messages. For calls, you can read the name of the caller or reject the calls, but you can't answer the calls or even talk back to the caller through the Mi Band 3. The app also monitors your sleep patterns and lets you know how well you slept and what the quality of your sleep was. It also stores all your heart rate information so that you can go back to it at any point of time. This is really useful for people with high or low blood pressure and heart issues. Since the Mi Band 3 is a fitness band, the app lets you set fitness goals and also track your fitness activities. This lets you set a timeline as to what kind of fitness activities you want to do in a day and also make sure that you meet those goals. The app also has an add friends feature which lets you add your friends who have a Mi Band 3 just by scanning a QR code. You can then view their fitness activities and also, creepily enough, view their sleeping patterns. We tested the Mi Band 3 both indoors and outdoors and found that the pedometer and the heart rate sensor were pretty accurate. We also compared this data to that of the Apple Watch, which is much more expensive, and found that the data was pretty identical, which was surprising for us. The Mi Band 3 is also a very non-invasive fitness band and most of the time you don't realize when it's on your hand. You can also put your phone aside and turn off or reject calls from your Mi Band 3 directly when you're in the middle of a busy workout. The Mi Band 3 also has a dedicated exercise mode, but it does not let you choose what kind of activity you're doing. However, you can select this activity by going into the app and you can even tag activities such as running, cycling and basketball. So to conclude, at 1,999, the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 is an affordable fitness band. But this does not mean that it lacks the features that more expensive fitness bands have. It has a good battery life, a great display and a lot of fitness features which can be incorporated through the app. So if you're in the market looking for a fitness band and haven't bought one already, we suggest you take a look at the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. That's it for this review, and if you have any more questions, drop them in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and the subscribe button and be a part of Team iGyan. This has been Mukund. Stay tuned to iGyan for more awesome content. Always on feature.
चीक आ गया.
But it's not showing me the contact. Fuck, this is so weird. Yeah, vibrate हो रहा है. दर्द दे रहा है यार. Stop it.